Pronouns are known as the ضمائر in Arabic. And we are going to talk about the personal pronouns and the ضمائر المنفصلة, or the independent pronouns specifically. And later we can learn about the attached pronouns, when the pronouns are attached to the end of the words, which is a separate topic. But let us first master the Arabic pronoun in its independent form. So what are the personal pronouns? These are simply words like I, he, she, them, or it. So how do you say I or he or she or them or they or these things in Arabic? First of all, we have huwa. Huwa refers to he in English. Now, when it comes to the pronouns, it is associated with the gender, first of all. So huwa is for the masculine, is associated with the masculine gender. So you can't use it for the feminine. It is also associated with a number. So huwa is for the singular form. You can't use it for two people. You can't use it for the plural. It is used in the third person. So if it is the second person or the first person, you need to use a different form of the pronoun. So you have to pay attention to all these different things when using the pronoun, the gender, the number, and the person. So based on all these things, we have different forms for the ḍmā'ir. There are different personal pronouns, and they differ according to the gender and the number and the person. So let us look at these different personal pronouns in Arabic. What are they? So first of all, in the third person, we have huwa, which is he. This is singular. And if it is two people and they are male, we have huma. And if they are more than three, then we use hum. So say if these people are feminine, if they are women, if it is one woman, we use hiya. If it is two women, we use huma, the same as the masculine form. If there are more than three women or three women, we use hunna. Now say we want to address someone in the second person. And if it is male, we use anta, you. If it is two, antuma, the two of you. Antum for plural. And if they are female, we use anti. Antuma, again, the same as the masculine. And if they are a group of women, antunna. And if it is in the first person, if you want to say I use ana. Two of us. It is we in English, and it is nahnu in Arabic for the dual form. And if it is three and above, it is again nahnu, the same as the dual. So these are the personal pronouns in Arabic. Now let us look at some simple examples when we use it in sentences. Huwa dhaki. He is smart. Huwa is the ضمير. Huwa is the personal pronoun here. Hiya Masriya. She is Egyptian. هما في البيت. They, two of them, are in the house. نحن أصدقاء. We are friends. This is the plural form. So we use نحن. So go over to the lesson in ArabicForBeginners.com and you can find more examples for the ضمائر, for the personal pronouns. If you want to get a clear explanation of all the concepts that we discussed here and also want to see more examples, go to ArabicForBeginners.com. You can also find clear tutorials on all the fundamental grammar concepts in the Arabic language. This is a free resource, so check out ArabicForBeginners.com.